Sup guys, it's Tech again, and this is another Android video, and it's gonna be on how to unlock your Android device with your volume buttons. You'll be able to choose which volume button you'll press first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and let's say you're gonna set it to unlock your Android device by pressing volume up, then volume down, then volume up, then volume down, then volume down, then volume up, as you want. It is called sequence unlocker. So sequence, you must put a sequence to unlock your device. The sequence you will choose it as you want. Okay, let's start. First you need exposed. So device must be rooted. Go to exposed, download, search for sequence unlocker. Sequence unlock. Just download the latest version and then activate the model. Here it is, activate the model. I have activated it before, then reboot your device. Okay, so I've done all that. Now we must open the sequence unlocker. First it will be like this, so turn it on. Then set up volume keys sequence. The current sequence will be up, 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 means U. Choose U for up and D for down. Okay, so the new sequence, I put it up, down, 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 up, down. So here's the limit, but I'll choose it only down, 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 down. Okay. Now you hit the advanced options. You can disable default key wake buttons. I prefer this if you need privacy. And you can bypass screen lock. I don't advise by this. I don't recommend this, since if your phone is plugged in charger, it will bypass the sequence unlocker. So don't choose this. Okay, now reboot your device and everything must be well. Okay, so here we go. I will just test this model. So I choose that to down, down, down. So down, down, down. Unlocked. So I will show you that this is not working. The power button is not working. If I press this, it doesn't work. The phone will be only unlocked if press the sequence unlock I choose. See? But as I told you, so something that I hate is that if you plug your phone in charger, it will bypass the sequence on the C. So be sure to put a screen lock even though you have a sequence unlocker. See? Okay guys, so thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, be sure to hit the like button, answer, comment any question you need, and peace out.